That was the biggest gift of all. I've never seen him so happy. It's been a huge wake-up call for him.
Now we have a restaurant to be proud of to take us right in to the 21st century. Andy, embrace it, really convict it, make it yours. It will happen.
With the change in decor now complete, Chef Ramsay's next step in turning around the business is to market the restaurant to a younger clientele. So he reaches out to 2 local designers and puts together a swimsuit fashion show.
I guess the killer isn't playing this one.
The fashion show was fabulous. I was amazed. It's good to see younger faces that we want to attract to the restaurant. People are very excited. Our phones will probably be ringing off the hook.
Although the main objective of the fashion show was to spread the word about the new Fleming, Chef Ramsay had a secret mission that he wanted to reveal.
Weren't they amazing? Yeah, absolutely. For the grand finale, please welcome our male model.
That's creepy. The Dwight's just fucking honest, dude.
I was in shock because I didn't really quite recognize him. I was going in a breath of fresh air. There's a whole hurricane. Yeah.
Jesus, it is. He's hacking.
You look great, honey.
He's
The clothes were amazing.
The Dwight's fucking hacking.
Importantly, he was smiling. How can you not be motivated?
Give it up, buddy. Well done. Yes, you look great. You look good. I'm ready to
I was
go.
wondering why he sounded like the fucking rave stomping you around.
Coming up on Kitchen Nightmares.
I didn't see. Oh, that's fucking creepy.
Will a dangerous fire derail Andy's hopes?
Yeah, I know. I walked by him and I heard that. That was fucking. That's nasty. I can't hear anything. I'm not scared of this Legion right now, dude.
Let's go, buddy.
Chef Ramsay is ready to unveil the new Fleming menu. Gone are the Danish gravel axe, the fricadelle, and the grandfather duck.
I want to see his face.
A modern contemporary menu, ideally suited for South Miami.
Right, start off with the crab cakes.
God,
Yeah,
everything is so
the rock
fucking
shrimp,
loud.
lettuce cups, pan-seared group of fillets, seasoned with chorizo, so it's a little bit spicy. Playing on the Cuban influence because the chef is Cuban, and more importantly, nice contrast, yeah?
They look more contemporary, definitely more like this century, you know? Before we're not in this century. We go back to the 80s, you know?
Look at the portion size. What I want to see tonight, more than anything, is empty plates. Because when desserts come, we're going to do this. Very, very simple.
Jesus, thank fuck Dwight's away
To
from
the
me.
table. Now,
I can't hear anything when he's just chasing the killer around.
immaculate way of serving a dessert. We don't stand and hold on to
God.
nostalgia. We move on. Andy?
I want to report him just for blowing out my fucking
Now,
eardrums.
cute.
Making this game creepy.
Yeah? We're opening in just under an hour, guys, yeah?
That is good. That is out of this world.
The menu is fantastic. The food tasted out great. Everything looks wonderful. Unbelievable. I didn't see any Danish food anywhere.
Fleming has gone through some major changes in the last 72 hours. It appears as though the
Dwight
biggest
was
change may have
running
been the
towards
owner,
me for a
Andy,
second. I was like,
74,
please God,
75,
don't let him.
77, 78, no 76, okay?
who has a newfound energy and is operating like the leader he once was.
Let's go. We've got to roll.
Chef Ramsay definitely put a fire under Andy.
Oh my God.
He was sent down special. I'm glad I know he is.
Tonight, relaunch night.
It-
Yes, it's
like,
stick
I have. Oh my God, fucking.
seasoning in and hitting
Do you hear it?
Let's go.
I'm feeling nervous, excited, tense.
Oh, what the fuck is happening?
Kristen, stick on cook from the
I'm not even near Dwight. I can't hear you.
Hi, welcome Fleming.
The fashion show clearly has spread the word about Fleming.
I like the look. It's very clean and it's refreshing.
I'm very excited. Enjoy that.
The restaurant is fully booked.
I have adrenaline. Is that Dwight? Is that who's under me? Is that why it was like that?
Are you ready to
Oh, get the fuck away from me, creepy bastard.
I'm gonna have the pan-seared mahi-mahi. Yes, ma'am.
The pesto shrimp and please.
I'm about to.
Thank you.
First table, yeah? 2 small Caesar salads, snap one.
Unless there's 2 Dwights, this one's face is normal.